Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here. I just wanted to talk to you guys real quick. This is going to be a pretty short video about feeding your mind with positivity, with a positive mindset, and things that I do to help train my mind to think, to succeed. And what I usually do is I usually listen to motivational talks on all kinds of things, from time management to taking action, stuff like that. Some stuff from like Tony Robbins and Les Brown. There's a few motivational speakers that I listen to. And how I do it, all you got to do is go onto YouTube and type motivational talks or motivational videos, and you'll get a ton of motivational things to really pump you up, because your mindset is going to help you succeed. It's going to help build confidence in yourself. And if you don't have that positive mindset, or you're not working on that positive mindset, it could affect your business. So because you need motivation. We all need motivation. That's part of the reason why we motivate each other in our Facebook group. When you join Power Lead System and ILP, we pretty much motivate each other. I always post my results that I'm getting. Everyone else does too, to show the new people that this system does work. If you're willing to put in the time and the work into your business, if you're willing to invest in yourself, then you can get results. We're starting a new training inside the Facebook group. I don't know if they're going to put it inside the ILP system or not, but they're starting a new training this week. I just saw a post on it in our Facebook group. So all you got to do is just type in motivational videos or motivational speakers, whatever it is you want, and you'll get tons of it. And I'm actually on my way to do another delivery route, so I'm going to probably be listening to something like that in my car while I'm driving to my destination. So guys, this is just a short video. I just wanted to let you guys know about that. And I hope to see you guys all in the next video. Be sure to click the subscribe button, like the video if you liked it, and hit the subscribe button. And hopefully I'll see you guys all in the next video, and I'll get some new subscribers, because this channel is all about motivation. It's all about motivation and getting results, and in whatever it is that you're trying to pursue. And so hit the subscribe button below this video, and also make sure you click the notification bell right next to that button. And also make sure that you check out my links below. My business link to ILP and Power Lead System is the very first link in the description. My second one is to another opportunity that I promote to get advertising and eyes to my website. And also you can connect with me on my Facebook account. So send me a friend request, send me a message, and let me know what you think, or what it is that you want to pursue in ILP. So that's all, guys. I hope to see you guys all in the next video. Bye.